চ্যাপ্টারটা পড়াচ্ছিলেন? Can you hear properly? Mute your microphone, everyone. I can hear everyone's voice from here. Yes, good morning. But don't to misuse the microphone, because if you continuously talk in the microphone, then I can continue be hear your voice. Okay, so just continue with the previous one, that is the chat method. Okay, so last day, yes, so last day I have completed the chapter that is combustion and flame. Okay, there is very much chaos is coming out. Everyone mute your microphone. And tell me about that you can hear properly. Now it becomes silent, so now I may start the discussion. Okay, so the important part of this chapter, just remembering once the what are the important areas here. So the important areas here, so first of all the combustion and flame, and what is combustion and what happens when combustion is done. Next one, what is the reason behind the flame, and different combustible and non-combustible substances. Then the types of the fuel and what is the calorific value, what is fuel efficiency, and later on there was one important area. Video is not clear. Okay, okay, picture ta dekho, picture. Okay, just wait a while. From here it's looking like it is not hazy, it is clear. I can see the board easily from the computer screen. Everyone clear? Yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. So then it was the what is ignition temperature, and we are searching for some ideal fuels, and then there was important part, that is what is fire extinguisher, what are the chemicals used in the fire extinguisher, and at last of the chapter there was the use of fossil fuel, that is petroleum, etc. What are the effect on the environment. Okay, so there was global warming, there was the acid rain. Okay, so these are the important areas, and with respect to that we have to solve the exercise questions. So first of all, come to the page number 75. Page number 75. There is the first question is there. List condition under which combustion can take place. We know the condition, these are very easy. One, that is a combustible substance. Another one, the presence of air, basically the oxygen. and third one is the fire source, that is the source of heat or the fire is required. So what is the essential condition for combustion? That is number one, combustion. What is combustion? That is when a substance or a substance in burnt in presence of oxygen or air, air within bracket oxygen, to give heat, light, etc., is called combustion. So from definition we will get, so later on the essential condition for combustion are number one, a combustible substance, okay, Ayanang, so I am explaining, let me complete the answer. You can see the lower half of the board. How much you can see? Now my head is here, but later on it will be okay. The last up to the substance you can see. Okay. Okay, Ayanang, so I am coming to your question. It is very easy. I will complete your, I will remove your confusion, but first of all complete it. So first of all, the point one is, yes? Okay. Yes, I am doing the discussing the question answer of this chapter. Okay, so coming to the Ayanangshu question is there. The question is why goldsmith blow air into kerosene lamp fuel within a blowpipe. Okay, now the important is that we have to make a suitable temperature to melt the metal. Okay, so to maintain a proper temperature, we have to use the blowpipe. And what is the use of blowpipe? That is make a unidirectional flow of air. Unidirectional. If we flow it by our mouth itself, so it will be spread in the different region. Okay, so we have to blow it so that in a specific area, and you know that the outer surface is blown. Okay, now as the outer surface contains the oxidizing zone, so here from here we will get the maximum temperature. And what is the another one is that when we blowing air, then it will also helps to oxidize the combustible substances. It will also helps to oxidize the combustible substances. How? Because when we blowing it, the air is going, so air helps the combustible substances to spread. So when they are already in gaseous form, but in spite of that it expands to some extent. So as it expands to some extent, then it will give the more heat value. So for this reason Goldsmith uses the a blow pipe and also heating in the outermost region. Up to clear that point 1? No, here no need to write the definition of combustion. Okay, no need to write it. Only the essential conditions are required here. Number 1 is the presence of a combustible substance. Number 2 is that presence of oxygen, and number 3 is that a proper source of heat. So these are the 3 essential conditions. The number 1 is the combustible substance, number 2 presence of water, presence of oxygen, and number 3 is a source of heat. Complete this first. So just look at the picture. Just look at the picture. This is blow pipe. This is blow pipe. This is the flame of the kerosene or the gas, etc. This is the metal we want to melt. Generally it is the metal having low melting point, that is gold, silver, etc. Now the blow pipe, it makes a unidirection of air. Here air is blown. Okay. Now when air is coming in that region, so here an extra force is given, so that the combustible substance expand to some extent. So when a combustible substance expand to some extent, then if some kind of non-combustible substance is there, that is if some unburnt substance are there, then it will also burn, and this air helps to burning of that unburnt substances. So there are two points, that is to combust the substance fully and make a unidirection flow of air. So make a unidirection flow of air in a specific region of the flame. If we use in the upmost region or in the lower in the upper layer, that is in the topmost layer, then we need the higher temperature. If we blow it in the middle region, in the mid of this flame, then we will get lower temperature. But here it is called the reducing zone, and the outermost zone it is called the oxidizing zone. Fuel, combustion. Combustible substance is more appropriate in place of fuel, because fuel having some special characteristics, but combustible substance are a lot. Fuel having some application, that means industrial application or household application, but combustible substance, it is not limited. Okay, clear, Ayanangshu? Make a unidirection flow of air and make a complete combustion, we use the blowpipe. These are the two reasons. Combustible substance and fuel. Combustible substance, that is a lot, you know the combustible substance, that is a piece of paper is also a combustible substance, but it is not a fuel. Okay, so the in case of fuel we need the high heat amount, but it is not in the paper. A piece of paper, it is combustible, but it is not a fuel. A plastic also combustible, but it is not a fuel. Okay, so this is the difference. Now coming to the question number 2, fill in the blanks. Jasmine, clear? Yes, every fuel can provide heat or flame. It is not the fuel, the paper is not the fuel, it is a combustible substance, but it is not a fuel. So just the example of the kerosene or petrol or the paper, a piece of paper. What's wrong with you, Shubham? Okay, so coming to the question number 2, burning of wood and coal causes dash of air. What would be the answer? Reply in the chat box. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. 2A. All has given answer, that is pollution. Okay, so it is pollution. 2A, burning of wood and coal causes dash of air. So it is pollution of air. Now can you tell me about the some types of pollution? Here air is written. Okay, now some more types of pollution. Water, soil, sound. Yes. Water, soil, sound. Light pollution. Yes, you may tell it when a high frequency of light is used, it is also irritate our eyes, so it is also affects our eyes, so it is also a pollution. Okay, okay. So coming to question number 2B, a liquid fuel used in home is dash. So question number B, yes, a liquid fuel which is used in home, yes, it is kerosene. Number C, LPG is liquid in form, but when it is coming out, it is in gaseous form. Liquid fuel, it is not a liquid fuel. It is liquid due to the compression in the tank. Number C, fuel must be heated to its dash before it starts burning? Very easy one, you can make answer to it. Yes, ignition temperature or flash point. Ignition or flash point. Yes, all are correct. Next one. Okay, now yes, one is there. 2D, fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by dash. Yes, water. Why? Can you tell me, anyone? Use your microphone, anyone? No, it is not appropriate. Yes, 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 yes. That is the exact reason. Because water is heavier than the petroleum. Yes, yes. Okay. So by this way we have completed up to question number 2D. Okay. Now your next class is from, I think, from 12:10:55. Now there is a number question 3. Explain how the use of CNG in automobiles had reduced pollution in our cities. Now I have told you that CNG is, the full form is compressed natural gas. It is also a fuel, alternate source of fuel, which is we get from the upper layer of the petroleum. Okay. Now CNG is to some extent it is less polluting. Why? That is the amount of carbon dioxide which is exhausted from the combustion of the fossil fuel. Here it is to some extent less. This is the first one reason. Okay. Now there it is. Yes. Yes, cleaner fuel, in that sense it produces less harmful gases. The quantity of gas produced is less, and it does not contain the impurities. Sometimes in petroleum there is some sulfur content is there. Okay. Now some nitrogen content also is there, but it is only basically here the percentage of carbon is greater. Okay. So if it is completely combusted, then only the carbon dioxide will be exhausted from the engine. And I have told this point. These are some basic point. On next day I will start from question number 3. Okay. So if no, today is the discussion, and the next day I will write it on the board from question number 3. Okay. So bye everyone. Bye. Wait for the next class. Thank you everyone.